So it's June 22nd, 2011. There's Gordy Lee in there. We're down at Blackburn Lake on Salt Spring Island. It's a beautiful morning, 7:30 a.m. bright and early, and we got him cutting some dangerous trees for us. So there's 2 dead alders. He just took down a huge alder. And these guys are going to go down next, and then we're going to go into Moas Park and do a couple more. Actually, many more. There we go. Beauty. Easy done. And this one will be a piece of cake too. Just throw them in the bush and let them rot. Nice. Simple. Beauty. Don't even have to clean up the mess. Good job.